All right, record holder Terry and his partner showed up butt crack of dawning this morning like always, but dadgummit, they got this form set and it is perfect. They had a little bit of trouble getting it perfectly square, but they ended up nailing it down. Pretty cool little thing they did is they basically measured and created a 3-4-5 triangle off of the slab to the form to get it pretty daggum close to square on both of them. And then they took their cross-sectional measurements and adjusted it ever so slightly to get it perfect. He had a transit to set up, down, level. But yeah, dude, they knocked that out. They made a lot work of that, son. So we got the plumber coming this way, running the center trench here for extra structure. So plumber is headed out to help us. We're gonna dig up this drain trench there and plumb in the bathroom stuff. And then Terry and old boy will be back out tomorrow morning. And we'll get some rebar and some vapor barrier down and be ready to pour on Friday. Oh, it's an exciting morning. It's concrete day. Let's go see what these guys are doing. I'm getting here a little late, so let's see what this is all about.
I swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger in a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen. The scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go.
So the key is just stand in this shit, huh? Don't be bashful, just stand in it. Y'all need me to do anything?
I can't move on till I let go. I can't move.
I feel like dead weight right now.
I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
This is so cool. That's what I'm doing. Oh, we got to auto level this part too. see those nice little knee pads you're on there.
Hey, you like them?
Yeah. Does that mean I'm immediately disqualified from doing that job because I'll just sink through?
Yeah. Not to be, you know, mean like that.
What's that big hole in the middle? That's where Shane got on it.
Huh?
What's that big hole in the middle of the concrete? That's where Shane got on it.
Yeah. Now when I was younger, they always send the smaller guy out there and like, oh, fuck.
Well, hey, that paid out, right?
Yeah, I don't know. It's a lot of wear and tear on the knees and stuff. So, I don't like
it.
What?
Yeah, y'all. What's impressive is how much work y'all done so quickly.
Oh, yeah. I know. I won't let anybody say don't ever try it. I mean, but. Así es la troca. Está otro tubo también. Así es largo, así si quieres.
That's Spanish for we're good at concrete.
Let's get her done right here.
I don't know, I'm pretty shocked at how quickly it comes together.
Oh, yeah. They come together or fall apart. Real fast. It's just tiny.
Yep.
Never touch tiny.
And can you like spray it down with water to like make it more malleable if it's
Just
like
this,
something's happening?
Well, this last part, because it sets up so fast, then you have a hard time sealing it up, and you want to bring the cream up to seal it up. And a little bit of water helps, as long as you don't leave it and finish about it with water sitting on top. You work it in, it's still fine.
Okay. So I can walk on it now, right? Right?
Now that it's clear, it's closed. About an hour. And we'll spray it out with water.
Yeah. So we just spray it down like with a, I'm guessing a light, like on like the shower setting. Just missed it?
Yep, missed it. Let it down, walk away from it, come back in another hour, keep on missing it.
Every hour?
Every hour.
Till tomorrow?
So, not till tonight and then it'll be good.
Okay.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean, and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?